So we're set up for aluminum welding with our PRO-TEC 200 ACDC. If we look at the front panel, 2T mode, AC, high frequency is on, 105 amps of welding current. If we go to our AC balance, we're set at 30%, so 30% is cleaning action, 70% penetration. And if we go to our AC frequency, we're set at 120 Hertz. We're also only running 120 volt input here. So 105 amps, we're doing just a straight corner to corner, no filler material, straight fusion. So let's see what we got. Beautiful fusion there, a little bit colder at the start, but you can see the nice rolled edges there, nice and clean. Perfect. 120 volt input, 105 amps output, wave balance of 30%, and AC frequency of 120 Hertz.